Electric cars are no longer the future, they're the now. And the 2026 Tesla Model 3 continues to set the bar for what a modern electric sedan should be. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest tech and rides with clear, honest insights you can trust. Design. The Model 3 sticks to its sleek, minimalist roots with a clean, aerodynamic profile that's both stylish and practical. Inside, it's all about simplicity, a spacious cabin dominated by a huge 15-inch touchscreen that controls almost everything. The updated interior materials feel premium, and the panoramic glass roof makes every drive feel open and airy. Performance. With instant torque from its electric motors, the Model 3 offers impressive acceleration, hitting 0 to 60 in just around 3.1 seconds in the performance trim. But it's not just about speed. The all-wheel drive system provides confident handling, and the ride quality strikes a great balance between comfort and sporty responsiveness. Plus, the long-range battery means fewer stops and more freedom on the road. Features and technology. Tesla's tech is front and center here. The Model 3 includes advanced driver assistance features like Autopilot, regular over-the-air updates that keep improving the car, and a host of smart safety systems. Integration with Tesla's supercharger network means fast charging on the go, and the car's software-driven design ensures it only gets better with time. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 remains one of the most compelling electric sedans on the market, blending style, performance, and cutting-edge tech into a package that just works. If you found this review helpful, drop a comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more straightforward takes on the latest vehicles and tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.